Have you guys ever made tutti fruttis at home? And what if I tell you this tutti frutti has been made with using watermelon peel? Howdy my foodie friends, today I will be sharing the recipe how to make tutti frutti at home. So today we will be making tutti frutti using this watermelon peel which we throw after having watermelon. See, let us start it with peeling the watermelon peels darker skin. I was supposed to use peeler to peel this skin. I don't know why the hell did I use this knife to peel this watermelon skin. Anyways, peel the skin properly. Do not leave any trace of greener part on the skin. We are removing skin from skin. How crazy it is. Okay, after peeling the skin from your skin, watermelon skin, we have to cut this skin into small dices. Here as you can see, I have cut the skin into small dices. Now after cutting the skin into dices, we have to boil it until it gets soft. So to boil our chopped watermelon skin, here I am taking water, pot full of water, and you have to put the skin into the water when it comes to boil. Then leave it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, it will become soft. As you can see, it has become quite translucent and soft. Now keep it aside. So now here I am preparing my sugar syrup to cook my boiled watermelon peels again for the second time. So for that, I have taken 1 bowl water and half of water sugar. Now leave it to let the sugar dissolve on its own. Now here I am straining my cooked watermelon peels. Before trying this tutti frutti recipe at home by myself, I did not know it's so easy. If you want, you also can make tutti frutti using raw papaya. Now here our sugar syrup is almost ready. Now here I am putting red color. If you want multicolor tutti frutti like we get from market, you can cook your watermelon peels in simple uncolored syrup and put the color after the cooking process. Now give it a very good mix so that your watermelon peels will get covered entirely in sugar syrup. Let it cook for almost 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will see the sugar syrup has reduced and gets thick. So that is what we want to make tutti frutti. This method is not restricted to tutti frutti only, but whenever we make any candied fruit, we follow this method. Whether it is candied orange or whatever fruit. After cooking for 10 more minutes, spread your tutti frutti on butter paper. Here you can see I have used a tray to keep my butter paper. Then I am spreading my tutti frutti on that. Now we need to dehydrate our tutti frutti. If you have time, you can keep this tutti frutti under sun, or if you don't have time, you're running late for anything, you can dehydrate this in an oven. But I had waited for 2 days to make this tutti frutti. Here your tutti frutti is ready. As you can see, it is same as we get from the market, but the difference is it's been made with watermelon peels which we throw in the dustbin or garbage bin. If you like my video, do like, comment, share and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.